Have you ever wondered if you could catch all the neon-lit action of your favorite shows and movies right on your iPhone? Well, today, we're diving deep into the world of Neon and figuring out if it's compatible with your trusty Apple device. Neon, for those who might be new to the streaming scene, is a relatively new player in the streaming game. It's known for its unique content library, often featuring critically acclaimed shows and movies. But, like any other streaming service, compatibility can be a bit of a puzzle. So, the burning question is, can you truly enjoy Neon's content on your iPhone? The short answer is, yes, you absolutely can. Neon offers a dedicated app for iOS devices, including iPhones and iPads. This app is designed to provide a seamless streaming experience, allowing you to watch your favorite shows and movies on the go. Whether you're commuting, relaxing at home, or simply taking a break, you can easily access Neon's content. Diving deeper into the app. The Neon app is pretty user-friendly. Once you've downloaded it from the App Store, you can sign into your account and start exploring. The app's interface is intuitive, making it easy to navigate through the different categories and find what you're looking for. Key features of the Neon app. High-quality streaming. The app supports high-definition streaming, ensuring you get the best possible viewing experience. Offline downloads. Some content can be downloaded for offline viewing, perfect for those long flights or train journeys. Personalized recommendations. The app uses AI to suggest shows and movies based on your viewing history. Multiple profiles. You can create multiple profiles for different family members or roommates. Additional tips for optimal viewing. To get the most out of your Neon experience on your iPhone, consider these tips. Stable Wi-Fi or cellular connection. A strong internet connection is crucial for smooth streaming. Optimize your iPhone settings. Ensure your device's brightness and volume are adjusted for the best viewing experience. Use headphones. For immersive audio, using headphones can significantly enhance your viewing experience. Keep the app updated. Regularly updating the app can fix bugs and introduce new features. So, there you have it. Neon is fully compatible with iPhones, and the dedicated app makes it easy to enjoy your favorite shows and movies on the go. Whether you're a fan of critically acclaimed dramas, binge-worthy comedies, or mind-bending sci-fi, Neon has something for everyone. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.